Deshaun, 2 goals today. How you feel about that?
Well, it was a great game, you know. I think we did well based on the performance. I think we did well. You know, Charlie come out as a good team, you know, so we have to just play our ball game and, you know, come out as a good result.
Well, when it was the 10-man, the game got a bit tougher than the guys expected.
Well, you know, when we go down 10 man, they were pressuring us until we get the second goal, you know. They ease up a bit and we thank God for the win.
Your performance, 2 goals today. What's your assessment of your performance? What do you think about how you play?
Well, I fight for the 2 goals, you know, as you can see. Great chance and go behind them defense and, you know, get the goal. So I thank for that.
Wanted that 3rd goal, right?
Yeah.
There you go. So basically, you guys are sitting quite comfortable, sitting in second in the group now. What we're looking for the next round?
Well, just have to stay focused. Can't make this get to our head, you know. So just have to stay focused and we have a next game, I think Saturday. Just have to stay focused until the run is finished. So based on the last game, can talk about that.
What do you expect from you personally this season?
Well, I want to score like 20 goals or more, you know, but it comes with hard work and guts, so just have to put in the work.
All right, bless up here, good game.